So the pump car or the trolley it was 3D printed. Remember, I always made prototypes how they look. So how they actually look. It is not meant yet to be pulled by an agent, but it's a good idea to try. But I just wanted to see how it looks real life. I mean, as a toy, it looks pretty cool. Yes, now wheels spin. It is my first prototype, the first attempt. This thing, um I don't know what you call this pull thing. The arm, it moves up and down, but it's not meant yet to be used with the wheels. I have an idea how this can be working according to the original model, but that will be maybe for a future. This is just meant to be as a pull toy, push and go toy. Remember, I'm doing this really fast. Design time took me 3 hours 30 minutes for this pump car, but it looks really cool. And thank you for the idea to whomever or that person who left me a comment. Remember, leave your ideas in the comment sections on each video so I can try to make a reality one of your ideas that can be achieved. That's really cool toy.